Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is July the 8th. We're on our first of two jobs. We went out this morning to Cobb County, Kennesaw, Georgia. We did two quotes. Both was wax removal. One is a wax removal, screen recoat, and UV cure, and the other was just going to be wax removal and countertop. So we're here in Roswell, and then after Roswell, we got another small project in Lawrenceville. Both of these are move-outs. This client right here, Mrs. Terry, she's actually one of my repeat clients. She used me when she first moved here, okay, about 2 years ago. We did the whole screen recoat of the house, the stairs. So what we're gonna be doing today is just the second floor. This is a three-story townhome. It does have an elevator, so that made it better bringing our equipment up. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so all we're gonna be doing is this second floor. We did these floors about two years ago, as you can see. Well, you can't see what we did unless you go find the video, but these are the floors, not too bad. And then here, and then here. So we're just gonna screen the recoat so everything is consistent. Like I said, we're here in Roswell, right downtown Roswell. Downtown Roswell is literally right here, all right? And then after this, we have to go to Lawrenceville and do another screen and recoat move out as well. So nothing's getting UV cured today, but tomorrow we do have a screen and recoat UV cure, Friday screen recoat UV cure, and also Saturday screen and recoat UV cure. And we also have, I think right now we got about 3, maybe 4 appointments on the schedule for next week. So I'm trying to get 2 more so we can get our next week locked in. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Truman, you did that. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Ooh. Walked in the house, brought the whole shine back. Ooh, hey. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Mama, you did that. Hey, yeah, you did that. Ooh. One day we're cold, now the whole floor snap. Yeah. Pull up clean in the work van rolling. Blue and gold, yeah, the whole team glowing. Screen it down, lay the coat so smooth. UV cure back tonight, no waiting to move. Countertop sparkling, hardwood shining. Every single project, perfect timing. Customers smiling, cameras all on. Another 5-star review before we're gone. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Woo. Save those flows, didn't need no sandbag. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Truman, you did that. Truman, you did that. Atlanta to Augusta, all around the state. Homeowners calling Truman, don't be late. From wood to stone, we bring it alive. Turning no floors into luxury vibes. One day service, that's the mission. Yeah, quality work with precision. When they see the finish, everybody react, pointing at the floor, saying, Truman, you did that.
All right, guys, we are done. Miss Terry, my client, Miss Terry, just told me to send the link. She wanted to pay the link, and I'm about to lock up. The floors are still drying, but you can see how good they look now. Let me see if I can tiptoe right here. I see a little dry spot. It's dry over here because I started over here. Let's just take the shoes off. And we're about to head to our second job. Oh yeah. So you see that floor came out really good. All right, and her main concern was, well, you can see the rugs, the rug imprints. You don't see those anymore because we screened out that coating. And then also over here, so it's drying over here, so I'm not gonna walk over there. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. Now we're about to head to Lawrenceville, do another project for a move out. Usually July is a busy month because this is the time where a lot of people are selling and buying. So yeah, July is going to be a great busy month because we're actually booked out for almost 2 weeks already. I got like 4 jobs on the schedule already for next week. Probably could squeeze maybe 1 or 2 more in. But anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. All right. See you in the next one. All right, guys, July the 8th, we just got to our second and last job of the day. Again, just like our first job. Let's bit my gum. Very small project out here in Lawrenceville, so we're not far from the shop. That's good. So let me show you what we got going here. All right, guys, be careful, man, out here in this summer heat. It is a hot summer. But you know, one thing I love about hot summers is going to be a very mild, like fall is going to feel like a mild spring, and then winter is going to feel like fall. Because I don't like cold weather. So anyway, let me show you what we're doing. I think it's a little bit over 700 square feet. Screen and recoat, $250 a square foot. So we're going to be doing this foyer area right here. You can see the high traffic area right here. All through here. All right, all through here. All through here. Around this kitchen island. All through here. Really high traffic area all up in here. And this right here. So you can see where they had a rug down. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. There's no UV cure on this, but we will be doing a UV cure for the rest of the week, tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah. Truman in the A. Yeah. Screen Recoat UV. You know what it is. They not like Truman. They not like Truman. One day flow, same day move. No, they not like Truman. They not like Truman. They not like Truman. Everybody talk hardwood, but they not like Truman. Hey, pull up in Atlanta with the buffer in the van. Client thought replacement, now they call me the man. $9,000 quote, I cut it way down. Bring the shine back, put the smile on the crown. Buckhead to Decatur, Roswell to the A. Alpharetta calling, got another floor today. They talking sand and everything.
Let's take a look. My client just sent her daughter by to make the payment. But you can now see these floors look so much better. Now we do got some deep scratches that will not come out with the screen and recoat. These floors will need to be fully sanded, but they're just moving out. I think they're gonna put the house on the market. Floors went screened out really good. Like I said, it's got some deep scratches all up in here. See how this all even now? All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat UV cure in Covington. My guy Aaron's gonna be there tomorrow morning replacing some boards. They had some water damage at the kitchen, and the floor and those boards could not be sanded because they had cupped. So he's gonna replace those boards early in the morning. He said he's gonna get there about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then Christian and them, I think they're gonna move. They're gonna move the furniture also tomorrow, and then me and T gonna get there about 10:30, 11 to do the screen and recoat UV cure. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.